back to my channel, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Make sure your post notifications are on, you guys, so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. We're here for an update. I know y'all been anticipating this video. I've been anticipating this video, and don't mind my sports bra. I've lost this weight, and so like everything's big on me now. I know a lot of you guys have a lot of questions about my progress, how far I've gotten on my waist training journey, and today's the day I'm gonna tell y'all. Haven't been posting, but I have been staying consistent with my personal goals as far as my physique, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, so I'm just gonna show you guys the progress. See, I am on the very last clasp, and literally, you guys, I just don't even know what to say. Okay, so what y'all think? Y'all like it? Y'all fuck with it? Yeah, but I thought I would do something real quick because a lot of you guys ask me what measurement my waist is now, and let's just look, okay? I highly recommend if you are on your waist training journey, get yourself a little measuring tape. This isn't the longest one, so it's a little bit more complicated for me to measure my waist, but I can't remember my original measurements from the jump, but I'll put it on the screen and then we're gonna compare, okay? So I'm gonna start with one, and I'm gonna just put it right here. And you wanna put it in literally like your waist. So the smallest part of your waist. So I'm gonna put it right here. And I'm gonna put it right here. Okay guys, so with measuring my waist, I am now a 30 in my waist. 30 in my waist, okay. I don't know how much I weigh. I don't really care about my weight. Weight is, when you look at numbers like that, it's just not really all that healthy. I'm just really going off of how I feel. When I look in the mirror, I just want to feel good. That's really all I'm doing. I don't have a goal weight. I don't have anything like that. I'm just trying to be healthy. Been eating my salads, been staying consistent. It's a mental thing, if anything, but yeah. That's the progress, you guys. Stay consistent, stay disciplined, and you will get the results that you want. Make sure you guys use my code to get percentage off. Come on, we all love saving money. So yeah, with that being said, you guys, I just want to come in, check up with you guys, let y'all know that we are done with this waist trainer. Okay, we're done. We've been working on it. We're done, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I just want to show you guys one last time because come on, give credit where credit is due. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.